trial and error, use a variation of the Alima Pure Cosmetic items that I received. I did a video on that. If you want to see that video, check the description bar for the initial first impressions video.
Yes.
So I narrowed it down to the items that are acceptable for my skin that I like. I was able to achieve this finished look using the Alima Pure items. Now, I am not a makeup artist. This is not a makeup tutorial, but this is a review of the products that are natural, more healthier for my skin, and how I like them. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned, and you guys can see how I achieved this full face look. And also explanation at the end as to how it held up with the New York City weather today, because it's quite hot outside. Really, it is very humid. I am sweating just talking to you guys right now. But yeah, this is, sorry, I have a bad habit of playing in my hair. Sorry. Anyway, it's making my forehead hot. But this is the look that I was able to achieve, you guys. Now, with the exception of the blush and the lippy and my mascara, everything else was from the Alima Pure Cosmetic line. So we'll see how it pans out today as I go on about my day. Alright, this is how my face is now. No makeup, nothing, not even my eyebrows. So you guys can see how my eyebrows look naturally. Let me see if it looks better with the light off. Yeah, I think I like this better. Okay. So I'm starting off with their primer. Their Balancing Primer in Deep. I'm going to take a little bit on my brush. Dab just a little on my face. And make sure I get it in there really good. Okay, good. Now I'm going to go with the foundation. So based on a series of trial and error, the foundation that I like from the ones that the samples that I got, and if you want to see the samples that I got, don't forget to watch the previous video, which I will put a link to right here, or the link will be down in the description bar. But the Cool number 7 is what has been working for me best so far. So let's put some on the brush. Okay. Make sure tap off the excess and I just dab it all over my face first and then I blend it in. Works best like that for me. Okay. So this is the coverage I have so far. I really don't like heavy coverage. Sorry about the light because I'm filming with natural light. But I don't like heavy coverage, so this is what I've gotten so far. So let's see just for trial and error, just for the sake of the video, if I can build it up more. Usually I will leave it like this, but let's see if I can build it up a little bit more. This is as far as I'm willing to go. I don't want to build it up anymore. And I know around my mouth is a little bit darker. That doesn't bother me, so I'm putting on as less product as I can for this video because I want to show you basically how these products act. And I want to predominantly use only these products from Alima Pure Cosmetics, so it won't be a full lot of products going on my face. So this is how it looks with their mineral foundation, and this is Cool number 7. So far so good. Doesn't look that much different from my neck, so not bad. Now I am going to just do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. So off camera, I did my eyebrows. I also lined my eyelids, applied a little bit of mascara. And this is also a new mascara that I'm trying out. This mascara is the Physicians Formula Organic Mascara. So I'm trying out to see how it goes. If I like it, I'll let you guys know. If you want me to review that also, I'll review it for you. But so far, I like it. But anyway, this is about Alima Pure, not Physicians Formula. So I did all of that, and now I'm just going to apply the finishing powder, which is the Satin finishing powder in the color Takara. I'm going to apply that all over my face. Boom, boom, boom. Pat it off. And then just a little bit. Okay, that's it. Maybe that's too much. No, I think that should be good. Let me just blend it all in. It's really hot in New York today. It's very humid. So today will be a good day to test out these products, because the foundation is supposed to be the Satin Matte Foundation, which means that it's supposed to help my skin stay matte and not sweat. So we should see how it goes. Yes, I like to make sure everything's all nice and blended in. And then I'm going to finish it off with some blush. I might just use a very natural pinky blush today. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Not sure if I should do orange natural or pinky natural. We shall see. Blush, I decided to go with a pinky natural look because I'm wearing a pink shirt. I don't know why, but this is the e.l.f. blush in the color Peachy. And I put it on very light. I don't like too much blush. Just like a light little dusting, I would like to say. The natural sounds of New York is what you guys are hearing in the background. Alright. Let me use the mirror. Ta-da! So this is the finished look. I used 3 Alima Pure Cosmetic items. I used the Balancing Primer Powder in Deep, the Satin Matte Foundation in Cool No. 7, and last but not least, their Satin Finishing Powder in Takara. So with the exception of my blush, which is from e.l.f., and my mascara, which is from Physicians Formula, and my lippy, which is a mixture of a whole bunch of stuff in my makeup bag. I think this is 3 different colors I have on, I don't know. This is the complete look. So what I'm going to do now is run errands for today, and I will come back and report to you guys how I performed, and to see if my face stayed matte or did it get runny and dewy and sweaty. Okay, you guys? Okay, you guys, so it's afternoon now. I have on a different shirt. And this is how my face is looking after a few hours. So, right now it's still pretty good. Let me step back a little bit. I do have a little bit of shine right here, but nothing that some blotting paper won't take care of. But it's actually not that bad. Skin is looking good still. Overall, I like it. I still like the foundation. All the products managed to stay in place. What can I say about it? You know, I don't have that white cast that I had before. I think that was mainly from the concealers, because I did not put on any concealers this time. I don't think this concealers worked for me. I don't know what it was. In the initial video where I gave my first impression, but those concealers were just messing me up big time. So I did not apply any concealers, and I don't plan on it. My lip is gone though. But other than that, the face is pretty good. So I like the foundations. Would I use them again? I probably would order more, but I still want to experiment to see what else there is out there. before I definitely put in a full order, but I would recommend them. I really would. Application is a bit of a task. I'm not used to applying that kind of loose mineral foundation. So it is a task. You do have to put it in a cover or put it on something and then mix it in well with the foundation brush, tap it off, then apply it. So it can get messy. That's the only drawback, is that it can get messy. Other than that, like I said, it works well for my skin tone, my skin texture, my face. I don't have much blemishes to cover up, so as far as how that will go, I'm not too sure, but for me it has worked fine. So far I love it. If you guys have any questions about the foundation or about the primer or the finisher powder that I did not answer in this video, definitely leave that in the comment section below and I'll definitely make sure to answer it for you. But so far so good. I love it. And I'm going to be testing out more before I definitely make my decision on what is going to be my staple product. So thank you guys for watching. Like I said, any questions or comments or concerns, leave them in the comment section. Read the description bar for more videos from me or other ways to connect with me. And thank you guys so much for watching, and always, 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 always continue to enjoy your journey. Bye, you guys. By the way, if you guys are wondering about the hair, this is pipe cleaners that I took down about 3 or 4 days ago. So I'm just working with it until they fall more. But yeah, this is old pipe cleaners. He wasn't expecting that, were you? Nope. Goodbye.